Hello and welcome to Paythepoolman. Today we're going to walk through Progress Report and take a look at this feature. First thing we'll do is click plus. Now we're on the plus control panel. We're going to click Reports and then Progress Report. You can also find this report if you're on the home screen of plus again. There's going to be this button here. If you hover over it, you see it says Progress Report. Click here and we're on the same screen. So from here, what we can do is look through the information provided. So we see our techs have their own card with a number up in the top out of how many pools they have scheduled for the day. So we see this one's 0 out of 0 and this one's 1 out of 2. So we can see here we have a green check mark and this customer was serviced, but we can see we have a red exclamation mark and this customer was not serviced. So we can click completed and it's just going to filter out anything that's completed will show on the screen. Unable to service will show if we click here. Missed will show here. And repairs. Now in your missed category, if it's in the middle of the day, this could change throughout, so keep an eye on that. But the progress report just allows you to keep an eye on employees' progress or look back at certain days, so you can even change the date if you want to look at a certain day and find some information. But the progress report is really helpful for keeping an eye on employees / tracking information or seeing what's been completed for the day. If you have an issue with stuck logs, you'll probably see a lot of incompletes even for services the tech did complete. So have them sync their app or reach out to tech support for further assistance and we would be happy to help. Okay, thank you.